Hello, my name is Marie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in Crafted by Corey's mini challenge. We'll talk more about that a little later. So let's get started on my first DIY. For the first DIY, items needed from the Dollar Tree are a wind chime pack, a silver metallic marker, a little flag, a glass container, these wood beads, and a glue gun. To create the flagpole, I just need the chime, the cap to the glass container, and a small wood bead. I've already painted the bead using the silver metallic marker. Now I'll use some wire cutters to cut off the end of the flag. To conceal the holes in the chime, I will color 2 gems with the silver metallic marker. I found it easier to adhere the gem with some hot glue, and then you could paint it with the marker. Use some hot glue to attach the bead to the top of the flagpole. I'll attach the flag and the cap, and I'll be back with the final reveal. Here it is, the mini flagpole. I think this came out so cute and adorable, and everything I used in this DIY came from the Dollar Tree. So today I'm participating in Crafted by Corey's Minis Challenge. These are very fun to do. I'll leave the link to Corey's channel and the playlist for the other creators in the description box. So please be sure to check them out, and let's get started. For the next DIY, items needed for the Dollar Tree are this Captain's Wheel wind chime set, a dowel, red, white, and blue paint, 2 small square wood beads, 2 large wood cubes. You also need some wood glue or a glue gun, jute twine, and a tool to cut the dowel. I just need 1 3/4 inch off of this dowel. I'll use my miter shears to trim that off. You'll actually need 3 square wood beads, and now I'm going to go ahead and paint these. I added some jute twine here for a more nautical feel, but also to cover up the holes. I'm using hot glue, and I'm going to put this right on the top of the blue cube. Next, assemble the dowel and the beads together, and then adhere them onto the edge of the cube. Next, put on the wheel and the last cube to secure it all together. Make sure the wheel spins freely, and then you can hot glue the last bead into place. And I'll be back with the final reveal. Here it is, all complete with the flag and patriotic stickers from Hobby Lobby. I love how this turned out, and I like that you can steer the wheel. On to the next DIY. I'll be making a miniature version of the Captain's ship wheel. I'll use these dowel clippers from the Dollar Tree to cut the dowel. I only need 1.5 inches. Now I'll go ahead and paint these. Next, you can use some wood glue or hot glue to attach these all together. Attach the wood beads together and then adhere them on top of the blocks. Next, hot glue the dowel with the end sticking out. Now put on the wheel and secure it with the bead. I added some jute twine on the anchor, and I painted the stick on the flag, and next I'll be back with the final reveal. Here it is, all complete with the little anchor. I think this came out so cute and adorable, and I think this would be perfect for a tiered tray. For the next DIY, items needed from the Dollar Tree are some crafter square fabric, a patch, cotton balls, some scissors. You need a glue gun or some fabric glue. I have my fabric folded in half. I will cut a 3x4 inch square using some scissors. Now run some glue down the side here, and then press the sides together. Now the other side. Then turn it inside out. Next, put all the cotton balls in there, and then we're going to seal the end up with some hot glue. So here it is. It's not perfect, but I think it's coming out really cute. I'll use some hot glue on this to adhere this patch onto the pillow. I wanted to add something else to this pillow, so I found this pom-pom trim in my stash. I'm using my glue gun to adhere it around the pillow, one little section at a time. Here it is all done. How adorable is this little pillow? I think this came out so cute. For DIY number 5, items needed are this little box I got from Target's Dollar Spot, ribbon and firecrackers from Hobby Lobby, and for the Dollar Tree you'll need these flags, small glass container, straws, and a wood ruler. The wood ruler shown here has been cut down from a previous DIY. You'll also need some red and white paint and a glue gun. You'll also need some letter stickers, and I'll be using the stars out of those miniature wood shapes. You need some blue paint, and that cute little hat is from Hobby Lobby. The first thing to do is drill 2 holes in the box for the straws. I painted these off camera, so let's move on to the next step. Next, put your letters onto the sign, and then you can brush on some Mod Podge. You can use some wood glue or hot glue and arrange your stars onto the box. I wrapped some ribbon around the little glass container. Next, hot glue your straws into place. I'll use some hot glue to adhere this fireworks sign onto the straws, and then I'll be back with the final reveal. Here it is, all complete with fireworks and flags. I really love how this fireworks stand turned out. It looks so festive. Who's ready for the 4th of July? Here's a final look at all my DIYs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you like this content, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Drop me a comment and let me know which one of these is your favorite. I want to say thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!